this thing has come up and hit that 786 right on the head. Now we have Bitcoin possibly doing a breakout. It has broke out. Excuse me, as long as it's not a fake out. All right, the Algorand, man, I love this thing. I'm telling you, people thought it was dead down here at 7 cents. You know, here it is back up about 23-cent range right now. Okay, this is on a weekly. Now, if we take a look at a weekly RSI and that rounded bottom, you gotta love that. You know, rounded bottoms are always bullish. You love seeing that on a chart. Okay, the weekly RSI is at a 95 and a 96. The monthly's just starting up, set at 58 and a 32. All right, so this thing could have a long way to head up here yet. Okay, you're gonna have corrections along the way. That's just how it goes. You got your 12-hour pulling back. All right, let's take a look and see where this thing could possibly pull back to. Okay, let's get this off here. All right, this move here, you know, it's been doing good up here, just going sideways right here. But let's look for there we go. That's what we want. And if you haven't yet, guys, please consider signing up for a level 3 membership. You can learn how to do all this stuff on your own. 8 hours worth of videos for 15 bucks. All right, so it's well worth it. You know, we're going to go from our swing low, the move to the top. You know, you could pull it down here probably. Yeah, maybe we better. Okay, this on a daily chart. All right, so normally a 618 or a 702 is where you're going to get your bounce from if it pulls back this deep. Okay, you could have a ABC going on in here. On the daily, we're still bearish, pulling down. The 12-hour still coming down. The 8-hour is at the bottom. All right, it's reset, and you got your 4-hour looking like it wants to roll back over. Okay, so me personally, I would be looking for a possible pullback here. You know, you could come down here to the 20 cent. You could come down here that 19 20 cent area down here looks very, very good. All right, so not a massive pullback, just a couple cents, but you know, you could be looking at that. If you look at this thing, you have overhead resistance right here. Okay, I was looking to see if this thing was flagging or not. Yeah, you almost have like a wedge pattern in here, almost like a fallen wedge pattern. So we'll keep an eye on this, because Bitcoin, if Bitcoin continues this breakout and it's not a fake out, it could pull Algorand up. All right, but you know, I'm a realist, and usually you get a pullback to a 618 or 702. That's down here at 1998 to roughly 20 cents. You know, that's where this thing could go. Worst case scenario. All right, and this thing works. All right, if you're looking for pullback areas, it absolutely works. This move here that came up, if you were looking for a pullback on it, you go from your swing low to your swing high. Right about there. Look at it, came down to the 702 right here. That was good enough, and it took off and bounced. Tried to pull back down to the 618 right here, almost did, and then it took off. All right, so this thing absolutely works. You know, when you're looking for pullbacks. Okay, your swing low to your swing high, right up there. All right, I'd be looking for the 618 or 702 down here. You know, which is roughly. You know, I like to come on and give the good news all the time, but sometimes you just have to have pullbacks. You know, it could pull down another 13% here if it doesn't take off from here. All right, it could be bull flag in here and then just rip out of here. It all depends on Bitcoin. But these RSIs, I expect that 4 probably to roll back over. Let's see how low we're getting at the bottom. We're still at a 58 down here. All right, the daily, you know, you had bearish divergence. You know, you had this high right here, then you had a lower high, right? Which on price, you had this high, then a higher high. All right, so I'd watch for a pullback down and bounce from there, guys. All right, but overall, this thing is going to go, you know, not financial advice, but I personally believe this thing's going to go a lot higher. You know, you just have to have pullbacks sometimes. All right, have a great day, everybody. I'll talk to you very soon.